So hi dear Scorpio, a very good evening to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot and this is a journal of reading for all the Scorpio Sun, Moon, Venus rising. Keep in mind this is general, it might or might not resonate with you at the first place. The second thing, the roles can be reversed also, the action can be from your side also. And this is a reading from today till the 23rd of June for those who are in complete no contact or no communication and wants to know what's going on the other side. If it is not resonating, it's not your story, you can just skip the video, Scorpio, okay? If you want to be a professional tarot card reader like me, you can start your journey by purchasing my course. The link is in the description box for the same. If you want to start your self-healing journey with Ho'oponopono but don't know from where to start, you can definitely start by purchasing my masterclass. Again, the link is in the description box for the same, and it has the power to change your life for the rest of your life. Trust me on that, I'm doing it from a very long time now. And if you want one-on-one healing sessions or personal readings, you can check out the description box and you can mail me for the same. So let's start. Okay, honey. We have the Strength card, the Fool card, and the Four of Swords. Okay, Scorpio, this person thinks about you a lot. You know, from time to time, they feel a lot of pull towards you, but for some reason, they feel like this is the right thing to do, to hold back. This is the right thing to let Scorpio go as of now. I don't know what is happening, but whenever they feel like coming towards you, they feel like this is not the right thing to do, or this is not the right kind of time, or the energies are off. Something is here in this situation where whenever this person is feeling like coming towards you, they are pulling back, like they are taking a step back. It's like one step forward, 10 step backwards, right? It's not this person is in revengeful or hateful or this kind of energy. This person right now is in this kind of healing kind of energy. They're like, okay, I'm not ready to take the step forward towards Scorpio, even if I want to, not right now. They're trying to slow it down. It's like they feel like right now everything is stuck. Right now everything is very slow in their life individually as well. So they feel like, okay, might be in the coming future I will see what I can do about it. But as of now, they are in the meditation, prayer, and healing mode. Okay. Yeah, they do feel this pull towards you from time to time, but they hold back. Let's see what this person wants from you, Scorpio. What are their intentions for the situation between you and them? We have the Four of Pentacles, the Sun card, and the Death. Sun and the Death together. See, there is a major transformation going on in this person's life. Major transformation because of whatever happened between you and them. This is your card only, Scorpio. They want to hold on to the good memories that you guys used to have with each other. But this person doesn't want to take any kind of action. Right now, they think, according to them, the love is gone, the happiness is gone, the connection is gone. Even if you were the best thing that happened to them, right now they are not ready to take any kind of action on the physical level. They are holding on to that kind of energy of, yes, we had a good time. They are holding on to you energetically, but when it comes to this energy of taking the action, they are like, no. Yep. And according to them, this is the right thing to do. For some reason, this is the right thing to do according to them, and this is the justice. I don't know what they did with you. I don't know what happened between you guys, but according to them, they are doing the right thing by not doing anything in this direction. Let's see what action is this person going to take towards you by the 23rd of June, if any. Okay, we have the Ten of Wands, the Lovers, and the Devil. Yeah, they will be obsessively thinking about you. They will be obsessively thinking about all the time, all the good time that you had. But I don't see this person taking any kind of action because they will be like, it is very stressful, very stressful for me to go towards Scorpio. Even if there's a lot of attraction, even if there's lots of passion, there is a lot of unhealthy kind of energies as well in this situation. So they are going to be obsessively thinking about all the negative energies, all the negative things about this connection instead of the positive ones. And it's going to be too stressful for them to, you know, overcome this negativity, overcome this negative thinking, overcome this unhealthy kind of energy towards you, and they are not going to take any kind of action. I don't think so. They will be obsessively thinking about you and the situation, but at the same time they will be like, nope, it's a hard pass. Like, they will be waiting for the time when everything is going to be fine or things are going to be little more settled down. Then they will be like, okay, in the future I will see what I can do about it. But as of now, this is very, you know, a bad choice or bad decision to go towards Scorpio. So they will be like, nope. For some of it could be possible that there is a third party situation here. They are already committed or married to somebody or with some other person. Could be possible. There is a possibility, not for everybody. And that is why they are not coming forward towards you, even if they want to, because they think it is going to be highly toxic between you and them if they are going to come towards you in these kind of circumstances. Let's see the guidance for you guys in the situation, Scorpio. Ten of Swords. Okay, this is the end of this chapter. At least for the time being, Scorpio, this is the end of this chapter. Take it as the end of this chapter. Accept the situation for what it is. Don't live in any kind of delusion or illusion. Yes, you might be feeling defeated. You might be feeling like betrayed in the situation. But again, accept the truth for what it is. Don't make any kind of stories. Don't be in any kind of delusion or illusion, because it is going to hurt you only. The more you are going to be in this illusion or delusion, the more it's going to hurt you only, Scorpio. It's like harmful. So thank you so much for tuning in, Scorpio. I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye. Take care. God bless you. Namaste.